Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to fix Play Store something went wrong problem. But before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. In the first place, all you need to do is to make sure you turn on your flight mode and then turn it back. So turn on and off your flight mode, and also make sure you are connected to the internet. And the next thing you need to do is to open your settings. Now once you open your settings, look for apps and notifications. Now once you look for apps and notifications, click on application settings over here and make sure it is loading for your application. So look for your applications. Now click on Play Store. Once you click on Play Store, you can see over here storage and cache over here. Now clear cache and storage of your Play Store over here. So clear cache of your Play Store, and also you can see Google Play services. Do same over here. Clear cache of Google Play services. So once you are done with that, you are almost done. So open your Play Store too, and once you open your Play Store, you need to do this. Just click on your profile at the top right corner and click on settings. Now you can see about. Most of the times you need to make sure you update your Play Store frequently, so you can see update Play Store. So by doing this, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.